Using the properties of determinants, prove that alpha square beta plus alpha beta square alpha gamma plus alpha gamma square alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha. Solution: let delta is equal to determinant of alpha into alpha square beta plus gamma beta into beta square gamma plus alpha gamma square alpha plus beta. Operating column C3 plus C1. So C1 is alpha beta gamma, so adding to C3 will be equal to delta is equal to alpha square alpha beta gamma beta square beta gamma alpha gamma square alpha beta gamma. Now taking alpha beta gamma common from C3, this is common term in the all three columns, so taking common, so delta is equal to alpha beta gamma, determinant of alpha square 1 beta square 1 gamma square 1. Operating R2 minus R1, this is row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 minus row 1, we get delta is equal to alpha beta gamma alpha square alpha 1 row 1 as it is, and row 2 minus row 1 is equal to beta minus alpha beta square minus alpha square 1 minus 1 0. Similarly R3 minus R1 is equal to gamma minus alpha gamma square minus alpha square 1 minus 1 0. Now taking beta, expanding along C3 is equal to along C3, this row and column cancel out, so these terms will remain beta minus alpha beta square minus alpha square gamma square minus alpha square. So taking beta minus alpha from these two terms common, beta minus alpha and gamma minus alpha common from the row 1 and row 2 respectively, so delta is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus alpha gamma into gamma minus alpha. Determinant of here remains 1 and beta plus alpha and 1 gamma plus alpha. Now solving this alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus alpha gamma minus alpha gamma alpha minus beta alpha, so gamma alpha plus beta plus gamma into beta minus alpha gamma minus alpha gamma minus beta. So delta is equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to, interchanging these both terms, so alpha minus beta, so beta minus gamma, and this as it is gamma minus alpha, so hence delta is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha.